Hey everyone, it's MK
and Ellen.
Welcome back to MK Quilts and MK Quilts University. So it's the middle of the sweltering summer right now, but you know what we're talking about? Black Friday mystery quilt.
So yes, let's just put our minds into November when it's cool. Hurricane season is over.
That will be lovely.
Yes.
So it will really be here before we know it.
Yes.
So Ellen and I have already been planning. Behind us is the mystery that we did last year. It was a really good one, nice size, turned out lovely. Everybody enjoyed themselves. So once again, we're gonna have a lot of folks with us here in the studio live and then virtually from wherever you are in the world. Okay, so Ellen, tell them about that, how they will get signed up and what you have in front of you.
Right, yes. Okay, so on our website, there will be 2 sign-up options for the mystery class. And we do ask, even for locals, please sign up online. It just makes it so much easier for us to track inventory. And because I am going to need your emails for this mystery. So there will be an option to sign up as a local student or option to sign up as a virtual student. Now, every student is going to be put into the virtual class because we are going to have a pre-class cutting video that you will need to see. Now, I will say there are no weird 5/8, 7/8 involved in this year's cutting.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you. There is no specialty ruler needed for this year's project.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you. This year's project is fat quarter based.
Awesome.
Right? So we got some selections for you. But there is a lot of cutting. And again, it's the idea like if you get to any class, we don't want to spend 2 hours cutting and then not be able to finish anything. So you will have to have things cut ahead of time.
Awesome. Now, it is a mystery, so you're not getting any instruction other than the cutting she just talked about or the pattern ahead of time.
Correct.
Okay, but you can order up fabric if you would like ahead of time. So what have you there,
All right,
Ellen?
so we will have 3 kit options for this year. Again, fat quarter based. Our first option is Chelsea's Garden. These really rich, deep colors. We've got some paisleys and florals on it. The second option is called Vintage by Sweetwater. So some fun kind of bunting. We've got some fun text, some ginghams, kind of little ditzy tiny prints. And then we always do a Christmas option, right? So there's always a Christmas option. This year's Christmas option is Kitty Christmas by Urban Chic. So some really fun of their kind of classic colors. If you follow Urban Chic for a while, it just looks like them. And this year, it's all about the cat. So we've got making sure we're adding the cat into your bundle.
So of course you can use your own fabric. So part of what you will receive when you do register is some sort of yardage requirements, how many fat quarters, that kind of thing, if you want to use your own.
Yes.
We love it when you buy fabric from us.
Please do. And there will be background as well. We just don't have the backgrounds here. But it is mainly fat quarter based for this year's project.
So how it all works out, you guys, we start in the morning and all these details will be when you register. Yes, but we start in the morning, we'll go till like 4 or 4:30 and we just have kind of like breakout, you know, we'll do a little bit of instruction and then we'll have breakout time where you go and you work and you sew, okay? And then you come back and you get more instruction and you go and you work and you sew. So that's how we do it, all right? So click on through to the link below, get yourself registered, order up some fabrics, and join us on Black Friday this year. It's our 5th annual?
I know, I'm thinking 5th, but I forgot the count.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24?
5th annual!
5th annual Black Friday mystery, and it's always a lot of fun. Come and join us. All right, that's all we got for you today. From the classroom to you. Happy quilting, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.